To make the Brandy Crusta, you will need 60 ml of brandy, one which has good body and plenty to think about, 15 ml of dry curacao, I'm using Pierre Ferrand, 15 ml of fresh lemon juice, 10 ml of maraschino liqueur, which is optional, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, and powdered sugar to garnish, and a long lemon twist to garnish. You will also need a jigger, shaker tins, a hawthorn strainer, a fine strainer, a fancy wine glass. Peel as long a twist of lemon as you can and trim it down if necessary, but you should be able to get a nice long piece of lemon like this. Then we are going to take a little wedge out of the lemon to rim our glass with as well, and just run right around the outside and dab in your sugar. Now we're just gonna wind the lemon peel around the inside of the glass, and then we're gonna build your drink. So we've got 60 ml of brandy, 15 ml of our Pierre Ferrand dry curacao, and then just a little like maraschino if you're choosing to use it, just as that little extra dimension of flavor, and 2 dashes of good old Angostura bitters. And finally, there's little 15 ml of lemon juice. Then fill your cocktail shaker with ice. We're just gonna do a short and sharp shake on this one. We actually don't want heaps and heaps of dilution, it's still pretty boozy. And then a double strain. I mean, how fancy does that look? The Brandy Crusta. So now you know. Hello, I'm sorry to barge in the middle of all of this brandy deliciousness, but I just wanted to remind you that we have launched an online bartending course via the International Open Academy, and today is actually the last day to take advantage of the launch discount. You can get that by following the link below, so jump on that quickly. But don't worry, if you have missed it, then still please do click on the link and it will always have the best available deal on there.